morning. Happy Thanksgiving to you peeps. We got Junior on the cereal tip.
Yep.
Inky is making the turkey. Inky? Hi guys, I woke up like this. Yeah, so we're about to start cooking, and so I'm gonna designate this table as where I'm going to be doing my cinnamon rolls. So I gotta clear it out. Yeah, so we're just gonna start cooking all day. Junior's gonna help me with the cinnamon rolls, right?
Mm-hmm.
And no time to eat breakfast, so I just gotta eat Oreos. Okay. Alright. Well, you know, cinnamon rolls takes 3 hours to make.
3 hours?
Mm-hmm. 3 hours. Oh yeah, so I had my live chat last night, and it was really fun. And I'm glad, you know, those that came out to chat with me were there and stuff, because we had a good time. We were chatting for like over 3 hours, and there was like majority of people were there the whole time. So it was like a fun time to just chat and stuff. It was we had good times. It was really good. So someone emailed me and said that I should you know, do that chat again, you know, more often. So I'll think of another time to do it and stuff. But I like to do it often because I like to get, you know, talk to you guys and stuff, because it's fun just to hang out, you know. So I'm gonna start. Let me just get my ingredients all together, clear my table, and then we'll come back to you guys. The rolls are rising over there, so we'll just see what's going on. The boys are playing video games.
Here's Rose. He's been patient so far, nothing yet on the score. Launches it.
You said what?
He's going over through from front line, nothing yet going outside. Here's Cole, and it's
Get that shit out.
out of bounds.
Yeah. What? Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. He's full.
Miami trail.
Emmanuel's studying. He's making the cakes. He's gonna make a many-layered cake. How's the precision? Huh? How's the precision? It's good. Don't get me. I look trust me. I'm just getting your cake. And I have my dough over here for my cinnamon rolls. And they're rising, so I gotta let it rise for like an hour. So yeah, I'm just gonna watch them play video games and then, yeah. Inky's colors. This is orange, this is lime green, this is blue. I don't know what she's making though. Inky, what is it?
Fun stuff. Let's wait to see the final product.
I cannot wait to make my chocolate.
What?
My chocolate. I'm making hot chocolate from scratch.
Oh!
Yeah. So what's going on here?
Don't put me in this. Don't get me.
I can only see your pajamas.
This is my cake.
Okay.
3-layer fun cake.
So let's see the boys make chocolate chip cookies. Junior, what are you making? Chocolate chip cookies? Oh, what have you guys done? Oh, you guys put the stuff in the bowl, huh? Can you guys read to see what to do next? Can you guys read to do what next? So what does it say? So what was step 1?
To heat your oven.
Okay. So now what are you guys doing? Okay. It's good. Good job. Clap for the boys.
not eat raw cookie though. That's a lie. Because the devil is a lie.
Now what? Gina's eating the crusts. The boys are. Ucha's googling how to make chocolate chip cookies because he doesn't.
I'm looking for recipes. I want to add something to it. I want basic.
Well, you got basic mix.
So he's googling how to make chocolate chip cookies because he wants to make a. Junior's having his cake and eating it too.
Ha!
So far they've gotten the mix in the bowl.
Progress.
Progress. Progress.
You see that?
Yeah.
The chip might have key.
Oh,
Manuel broke his laptop.
Yeah. He was talking about it before, and I don't know, he dropped his phone on me.
Ucha is still trying to figure out how to make chocolate chip cookies.
You mad at him?
I was! I still need that. And then the chip now, this.
You want to change the whole screen?
No.
This is like so much cash.
I thought you had money to blow.
Nobody fixes anything in America anymore. It's broken, you just buy a new one. I don't know, I like this size so much. Like, it's just.
Butter.
Oh. Smoked
I like how he's looking at me like, you know what?
What's happening?
They don't trust my abilities.
No.
I can tell.
Well, you wanted to make this on your own? Or.
Yeah.
I mean,
He got the mix to make, so.
Okay.
Look at that skill.
That's not how you stir things.
I know. Duh. You think I don't know how to stir something?
I'm just saying. I'm so scared of that cookie.
Well, I can zoom in from here, so. I can still see you.
Stop watching me make cookies.
You know that thing comes out bad, right? Someone actually be with the phone with the camera saying, "Oh my God, who made this? This is crazy." That stuff and then they upload it.
No, people are gonna make this for us. Won't watch the movie, not anybody. If it comes out good, then somebody can eat it. That's it. Well, snap.
I still have my cinnamon rolls. Let's see how the cookies are coming. Looking good.
Looking good.
Here, you're gonna make anything? You're gonna help me make the chocolate? You're gonna help me make the hot chocolate later?
Yeah. Honestly, it makes a difference.
What? Okay.
If I just put the measurement on it, you feel like melts and makes, like melts over it, or you know, mix together.
Here's Inky's finished cake. Look at that. You have to see the inside when we cut it. It's a real surprise. It's a 3-layer cake. It's high, Inky. The cake is high.
He's going
That's gonna be like a sliver.
Yeah.
It's really good though. Here's before room.
Oh my God.
Before, because Inky and I are going to do a complete makeover of the whole room. Look at that. This is before. We have to clean it up. So that's why you have a couple trash bags. And this is what it looks like right now. Just a plain room. Just say. With all damn furniture down. You can see what the room likes. So it's all empty. And we got all this stuff yesterday. So Junior's at basketball right now. So the thing is, like, Junior doesn't know what we're doing or anything. So, like, he knows we're doing his room, but he doesn't know like what it's gonna look like, or we got posters and stuff. So he's at basketball practice right now, so Inky and I just woke up and we're gonna start working. So we got stuff for his bedroom, and also we're gonna redo his bathroom. He said his bathroom a little too childish, so I'm gonna redo his bathroom for him. So whew, we got a lot of stuff. So we got organizers for his shoes and TV stand and all these and all that. So yeah, so step by step. Alright, so we just finished Junior's room, and this is what it looks like. All done. All done.
When are you gonna call them?
This is his.
Can you start coming while you're doing that?
This is his closet. Hold on. So yeah, this is the overview of Junior's room. So let's see if he likes it. Okay, you ready?
I've already told you guys. before.
Mommy!
Mommy, I already told you guys.
What?
What?
Everybody prove me wrong.
Okay.
Mommy.
Are you ready,
I
Junior?
have no idea what you're talking
Close
about.
your eyes when you open the door.
Close my eyes.
Yeah. Okay, go.
Bathroom,
Mommy,
bedroom.
mommy, just don't ruin the moment, please.
Okay. Open.
Whoa.
You guys wanna go in?
Oh man.
Yes, that would be our blog of Thanksgiving. Chat, we couldn't blog.
That's me, no.
Nice.
Whoa, you got this stuff? Oh, you got. That's dope. Sorry.
You guys don't get me, right?
This is
I'm
awesome.
I'm just being this thing.
Oh, you
I don't
framed
mean
this?
Yeah.
You catch me in the block.
that. I said you're not in college.
And
You are a high school boy. How about that, Junior?
this time.
Oh, Junior.
That's Times Square.
Gina, you want to see your closet? We organized your closet.
Hey.
Oh.
Is it a makeover?
Yep.
You got all of the.
Junior, no clothes on the floor, okay? Prove
You see
me
your bathroom?
wrong. Prove
Junior, you see
me
your bathroom?
wrong.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Do you see your bathroom?
Oh, I didn't see this.
That doesn't mean you will tear the closet door down.
Oh God, mommy.
You have to preempt some of these things. Yeah, it's not to be jagger up or tiwa glass nanam. Have I seen the bathroom?
No.
LeBron
We
James.
are central.
Wait. Oh, I didn't know you guys hung that up.
Oh, you brought that? I told you to keep the penguins.
So this little nightstand, let me show you. I just figured this out.
Oh yeah.
So it has like a touch.
Oh
sensor.
wait. Hold on. Show him this his
Yes,
new
they
alarm
told
clock.
us.
Oh, it's your new clock, and you can.
And has
you can
Bluetooth
charge
on
your
it.
Your phone right here.
And has
Oh.
It
Bluetooth.
has Bluetooth to play music, but the instructions.
Play music?
Yeah.
the
Mhm.
No
instructions-
way.
Instructions are right here, so you can read them later. But this nightstand, it has like a touch sensor back here.
Mm-hmm.
You see it?
Mm-hmm.
You can touch it and it turns on and off. It's just like a touch strip back here. You can do it yourself.
But yeah, but that alarm clock has Bluetooth, so you can stream your music from there.
That's cool.
Yeah.
And then see that popcorn thing?
Oh,
Oh,
there
yeah.
is a basket too.
I like that.
Look at your laundry.
Moving me wrong. If I see any mess, bring all this back.
Dude, do you like your bed?
Yeah, but it's good.
Yeah.
Do you see your name up there?
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
I mean, you need to
Another basket?
Yeah. Do you see your trash can, Gina?
Trash can.
Oh, no, I didn't see that.
Everything's
did you?
basketball.
You guys have to make some rules, or it's not. I'm being
We're gonna make
serious.
rules.
Do you like it, baby?
Oh, food is not gonna be in there.
Do you like it, Gina?
Is that a drink?
But what is that?
That's Times Square, New York.
Oh, is it?
Mm-hmm.
Is that his favorite? Junior?
Doesn't really matter.
It looked good.
What Michael Jackson? Go ahead, Michael Jackson.
So what do you think, Junior?
That's
I like
I
it.
think these are
Yeah,
really
they'll
nice
go that way.
places.
And we have a dry erase board for you.
Yeah.
That's all.
Yeah, but what?
Then you have
Oh.
your desk.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Looks good. I like it.
When I finish what I'm
Hey guys, so we are ready to go to church. I'm ready. Junior's ready.
I'm not ready.
Micha's ready. So we're just little boy just playing ball. Why don't you go play ball, little baby? Oh God, you look like an ape. Like you look like a gorilla.
Hey, get a dunk for it. He looks like an ape.
Junior, do it for the vine. You don't even get off the floor.
I didn't feel like getting on the floor. I don't need to.
Yeah, okay. Junior, do it for the vine.
I can't.
Do it for the vine.
Mine's closed.
Do it for the vine. Or I won't take the camera off your face. Do it for the vine. Do it for the vine. Okay? Yeah. Go out there.
He said Serge Ibaka.
Never in your life will you be Serge Ibaka. Junior, do it for the vine. Do it for the vine.
He can't make a shot.
Anyway, so Junior, did you want to tell the people how you liked your room?
Oh yeah, the room is awesome.
We did the big reveal.
Yeah.
Did you like it?
Yeah, it was cool.
Can you tell them your favorite part?
The bed.
Okay.
He really doesn't want to be.
I don't want to be on camera.
I know, because if you play ball, then I'll take you off camera.
I don't know. I'm not dressed correctly.
Junior, your outfit is perfect.
I'm not dressed correctly. Alright. I don't want camera.
Cornered. This is how it feels to be famous. So do you want to be famous?
No. I never said I wanted to be famous.